Want to make your Excel charts pop and grab attention? Today, we're transforming boring bar charts into stunning visuals with dynamic brand images that grow or shrink based on sales. Let's make your data stand out like never before. Start by adding your brand bottle images. Go to the Insert tab, select Pictures, and upload the images you need. Arrange them for easy access. Select your sales data, then head to the Insert tab and pick a column bar chart. Clean up the chart by deleting the grid lines. Click on the bars, right-click, and choose Format Data Series. Adjust the gap width to 20% for better visibility. Now comes the fun part. Select an image, cut it with Ctrl+X, and paste it onto the corresponding chart bar with Ctrl+V. Repeat this for all brands to match each image with its sales. And voila! Your images now resize automatically to reflect the sales figures. This eye-catching chart will keep your audience engaged and make your presentations unforgettable. Impress your colleagues with this creative trick. If you love this tip, hit that like button, subscribe to Excel Powerhouse, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on pro-level Excel hacks. Let's make Excel fun and impactful together.